A robot dog that weighs just 1 kilogram and learns like a real pup. Meet Hangbot Sirius, the most dynamic robotic dog on the planet. It runs, jumps, and evolves its own personality with OpenAI. Want it to act like a corgi? Just tap the preset in the app. You can control it with your phone, a gamepad, even smart glasses. And, yes, it barks with downloadable sound packs. All this for just $659. That's not a toy, it's your new best friend in code. Ever wished you could train like a pro jockey, anytime, anywhere? The MK10 Racehorse Simulator makes it real. With pressure sensors in the saddle, reins, and even the whip, every movement counts. It syncs perfectly with your rhythm, giving real-time feedback on your balance, leg work, and posture. No tired horse, no risk, just pure precision. Want heart rate data mid-ride? It's got that too. Whether you're a rookie or a racer, this 55K powerhouse turns every session into elite training. A drone that flaps like a bird and reacts 500 times per second. Flapper Nimble Plus may fly for just 5 minutes, but it's pure aerial agility, hovering, pivoting, and darting like nothing else. With open source code, it's your blank canvas for science, art, film, or even pranks. Weighing just enough to carry 25 grams, it's small, smart, and insanely responsive. What would you create with wings this wild? Think that deer in the woods is real? Think again, it's a robotic decoy designed to outsmart poachers. With lifelike movements and remote control from hidden spots, these fake animals, deer, foxes, even bears, are the ultimate trap. One even drops M&Ms instead of poop. It sounds wild, but it buys just enough time to catch illegal hunters red-handed. It's tech fighting back. For wildlife, for justice, for real change. A robotic turtle packed with GPS, sensors, and even an electro-optical system, all inside its shell. Narrow Tartaruga swims at 7 kilometers per hour with agile flippers and room for even more modules in the front and back. Coral reef research, underwater exploration, sunken treasure hunts, you name it, this bot's ready. And soon it won't even need a pilot, it's going fully autonomous. A sea turtle with tech power. Yes, please. A robot that moves with no wires, no motors, just a chemical reaction. Octobot uses hydrogen peroxide and platinum to expand gas 160 times its volume, powering soft, lifelike motion for 8 full minutes with just 1 milliliter. No electronics, just a soft, analog brain pulsing like a living creature. And it's built with 3D printing, molding, and soft lithography. This isn't sci-fi, it's the squishiest, smartest leap in robotics yet. A robotic bird with real feathers that fly like the real thing. The Bionic Swift uses foam feathers on carbon fiber pins to mimic nature's grace, fanning out on the upstroke, folding on the down. But it's not just pretty, these birds can navigate without cameras, using only radio signals. Imagine swarms of flying bots that don't need eyes to fly. This isn't just flight, it's the future of autonomous aerial movement, and it's breathtaking. A rescue robot that slithers like a snake and stretches as long as a football field. Meet Robo, the flexible lifesaver built to crawl through rubble and tight pipes where no human can go. Its body expands from 5 to 10 centimeters, gripping sticky surfaces and squeezing through chaos. But it's more than sensors. It carries food, water, medicine, and even lets survivors talk back. In a disaster, Roboa isn't just a robot, it's a lifeline. A 14-meter minotaur that breathes and walks through city streets. La Machine's giant robots are myth turned metal, powered by engines and steered by a crew of 17. From an 18-meter spider to a dragon horse sent to save humanity, these creations tour the world, blurring the line between fantasy and reality. They don't just move, they perform, captivate, and bring entire cities to a standstill. Who knew machines could feel so alive? What if a robot could keep moving, even with damage? Agnath X, inspired by the lamprey, helped scientists unlock how animals move after spinal cord injury. By mimicking both the central and peripheral nervous systems, this robot shows how machines can stay functional even with partial input. It's a breakthrough in resilience, biology, and robotics, all in one flexible, slithering body. This isn't just research, it's the future of unstoppable machines. A gardening robot inspired by pangolins and designed by a high school student. Meet Plantolin, the adorable bot that digs tiny holes with its paws, plants seeds, and covers them with soil, all on its own. It's not just cute, it's smart, sustainable, and straight from a teen's imagination. Who says robots can't be gentle, green, and heart-meltingly sweet? A spider that flies. Meet Spidar, a robotic hybrid that walks, crawls, hovers, and flies with insane precision. With rotors on its legs and a smart control system, it balances midair and tackles rough terrain like it's nothing. Need to reach a disaster zone or deliver a package where no wheels can go? Spidar's got you. It's agile, adaptive, and ready to push the boundaries of what robots can do. A robot that moves like an ape and saves lives. Chimp crawls on all fours or stands tall on two legs when it needs to. With rubber tracks, opposable thumbs, and tool-ready hands, it can twist valves, climb walls, and handle disaster zones like a pro. Fully autonomous but always ready for human control, it's built to brave the chaos of earthquakes and danger zones where humans can't go. This isn't just a robot, it's a rescue hero in steel skin. A worm-inspired robot that slips through rubble like a shadow. This multimodal crawler uses pressure sensors and origami-style kirigami skin to twist and bend without breaking. Its soft pneumatic muscles let it glide through tight spaces with eerie grace, 11 millimeters per second of unstoppable persistence. Perfect for rescue missions or industrial cracks no human could reach. It's flexible, fearless, and freakishly precise. A six-legged robot that fits in your backpack and learns as it goes. Meet Hexa, the spider-like bot powered by its own Linux-based OS called Mind. It sees with cameras, senses its world, and evolves in real time. Programmers can build, share, and explore endless creations through its app store. Once just $500, its value has soared, because this isn't just a robot, it's a full-blown platform for the future. Meet Salto, the squirrel-inspired robot that leaps through trees like nature's own gymnast. It absorbs 86% of impact with its legs, uses reversed motors to brake midair and a flywheel to twist and steer while flying. It lands 25 out of 30 times. That's insane precision for inspections in forests, construction zones, or anywhere you can't send a drone or human. Agile, intelligent, and absolutely fearless. These robotic lightning bugs don't just glow, they communicate through light. Their wings flap using carbon nanotube electrodes, while zinc particles light up with customizable colors. And get this, cameras can track their exact position within 2 millimeters using just the glow. Even smartphones can do it. Imagine swarms of these fireflies dancing in sync, sharing data mid-flight. This isn't sci-fi, it's real. and it's dazzlingly brilliant. A stingray-shaped robot spying through the ocean depths. The boss manta ray glides just 20 centimeters above the seafloor, armed with sonar, cameras, and even water sampling tools. Built for underwater recon, it can inspect wrecks, monitor marine life, and maybe even unlock the Bermuda Triangle's secrets. With precision moves and stealth straight from nature, this isn't just a robot, it's an underwater explorer like no other. A robot 3D printed in one piece. Yes, it walks using nothing but air pressure. Tiny chambers inflate and deflate to bring it to life, step by step. It's soft, water-resistant, and built from the same kind of plastic used in sneakers. And here's the kicker, you can print it at home on a standard 3D printer. Who knew robotics could be this accessible and this cool? A robot that swims like a real tuna. This underwater marvel is sleek, fast, and shockingly agile. No propellers needed. Its rigid front and water-filled, flexible tail let it spiral, twist, and turn in place with total grace. Built with biomechanical brilliance, it's not just a machine, it's a new wave of bionic ocean tech. Even the military's watching closely, because this fishbot might just change everything. A 2.2-meter stealth shark built for military surveillance. RoboShark swims at 18.5 kilometers per hour with 0 propellers, just a silent, slicing tail. Fully autonomous or remote-controlled from 3 kilometers away, it glides through water almost too real to believe. It's so lifelike you'd freak out if it swam past and you didn't know it was a robot. This isn't sci-fi, it's next-gen underwater espionage in motion. Snails, but make them robots. These tiny machines grip with vacuum suction, magnetize to each other and crawl over rough terrain with ease. Hit a gap? No problem. They form a living bridge using their own bodies. Future models will talk to each other using AI and move without human input. It's not just cute, it's genius engineering with huge potential for swarm robotics. Who knew snails could lead the next tech revolution? A robot that slithers through fields like a pro gardener. Ground Control Robotics built this flexible crawler to inspect crops and zap weeds, with lasers or its jaws. Its insect-like antenna gently probe ahead, while its wave-like walk keeps it steady even on loose soil. Flip it over, it rights itself. 2 hours of power, just $1,000 projected. This isn't just smart farming, it's the future of fieldwork in motion. Robotic owls and hawks that trigger real bird alarm networks. These lifelike decoys, crafted by expert taxidermists, help scientists study bird communication in action. Just one Roboraptor at a feeder can spark 800 alarm calls in 5 minutes. It's not just clever, it's crucial for protecting endangered species and decoding nature's warning system. Who knew saving wildlife could start with a fake predator? Reptilian robots that crawl through dust, heat, and chaos like it's nothing. These lifelike machines survived 70 degrees Celsius in Uganda's wild during field tests, and didn't flinch. With carbon fiber bones, latex skin, 24 motors, and full remote control from 500 meters away, they slither where no human can go. Perfect for wildlife tracking or search and rescue in extreme environments. Who knew lizards would lead the charge in robotic survival? a robot dog that can throw with Olympic precision. This legged manipulator trained in millions of virtual worlds, factoring in gravity, wind, and terrain, then nailed it in real life. It can even play badminton with you. But this isn't just play. It adapts to rough ground, making it a powerful tool for search and rescue missions where every second counts. From fun to frontline, this bot's got brains, balance, and serious brawn. Robotic ants that work together like a real colony. Festo's bionic ants are 13.5 centimeters long, packed with cameras, infrared sensors, and jaws strong enough to carry loads just like nature's own. They think independently, yet move in perfect coordination, each one running 40 minutes and recharging through its antenna. This isn't just robotics, it's a glimpse into the future of cooperative machines. Mars base builders, anyone.